This is my master bedroom. While I get to make choices that are personal to me, next door I need to make decisions that appeal to the widest possible market. 2 different homes, all in 12 weeks. It's completely crazy. This is 2 in 12. In our master bedroom, my husband is installing a beautiful feature wall behind our bed, so he's doing all these little tiny timber battens, whereas next door we'll probably just do a V-groove feature wall behind it. They're big panels, they're easy just to sort of slap up, so a lot quicker, a lot cheaper. There's not a huge amount of room to put in heaps of furniture, so it's going to be pretty basic. Bed, bedside tables, lamps, and then artwork and linen.
Okay, here we are in Catherine and Adam's bedroom. There's a lot of cool stuff going on here. Ceilings are going to be raised. This will be frameless glass looking through here. Pretty nice little architectural touch on the front. Okay, so the Hanlon window trucks just arrived, which is great news. They're always on time. Let's start chucking windows in.
Oh my God. Ah.
Chaos.
It's kind of nice to sort of start feeling the spaces now, how the furniture is going to work, where the artwork's going. I haven't seen this space since it's been gyprocked and the boys have sanded everything and set everything. It's not the biggest footprint and the ceiling's really high, but it feels nice and cosy, perfect for a master bedroom. King size bed here, bedside tables, hinged wardrobe, and then also framing this beautiful window will have gorgeous sheer curtains. Tomorrow, my husband Adam, he's going to be putting timber batten feature wall all the way along here. It's going to be the world's longest job. So how long is that going to take you to finish?
Probably another 3 or 4 hours, I'd say.
These little timber panels give it a really good little edge with all the pitch ceilings and everything going on in here. I think it's going to be a pretty epic room.
The guys from Invesco are here. They've just installed my Lustreflex duet blinds and they look amazing. I've just had to go with the little remote and I can't wait to see how the curtains go up because it's going to change the whole room completely. Ah, so good.
So Catherine, what are you planning on doing in here?
My vision is that'll be a timber bed head, heaps of natural linen, lots of cushions. I'm not kidding, I have not even one piece of furniture and I've got 1 week to go. So. As you know, I didn't have any furniture for this room, so luckily I was able to use koala mattresses. They deliver in 4 hours, which is absolutely insane. I'm just about to style the bed.
Two masters, they're the same size, but now it's styled. It's amazing how different they actually look.
From the beautiful bed linen from Urban Couture up to the custom-made headboard from Heatherly Design, this really is my perfect bedroom. With any space, when I'm styling, I start with the artwork. So this piece here from Art and Framing Co has this gorgeous soft muted colour palette with all the pastels, and I've pulled these soft muted greys out and we've put it into the knobby carpet, and then we also took it across into the bed linen as well. I've gone with a few more cost-effective items in this space, but that doesn't mean you need to compromise on aesthetics or quality. This linen from the Cover Collective is absolutely beautiful. You can dress it up by adding lots of layers and textures, which again really plugs into the coastal theme. So I went for a solution dyed nylon carpet from Signature Floors. It's more cost-effective, but it's actually just as hard wearing, and it's so soft.
The 2 master bedrooms are done and dusted just in the nick of time.
My little boy's room is really starting to take shape. I'm nearly halfway into the process. The one piece of furniture I've chosen is Hudson's bed. Have I chosen anything else? No.
I think this will be the pick of the bunch out of the kids. If they want this room, this is the one to go for.